How to delete a YouTube short from your channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to delete a YouTube short from your channel. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch YouTube application on your device. Make sure that you sign into your account. Tap on U icon at bottom right, and after that you simply need to select view channel at top of your screen and you will come across your channel. Simply tap manage videos and go to the shorts section. Here you will see all the shorts video that you have uploaded on your channel. To delete a YouTube short, first you need to locate the short video which you want to delete and select the three dots next to it. Here you can find delete option at bottom. Tap delete. To confirm, tap on delete, then this will automatically delete from your channel. So that's how you can easily delete a YouTube short from your channel. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.